With Digital Fridays, it was a concept that was brought across through working with Digital Communities Wales. They've had some experience in other boroughs, and they were able to get a number of stakeholders, local stakeholders together to kind of map out and plan a digital inclusion initiative in the local area. So we were able to sit around the table with Digital Communities Wales, housing associations, as well as Communities First and the local libraries and the local authority. And it was great to kind of bounce some ideas off each other, get some examples of how it works in other areas. But it was clear that there was a need to have some digital inclusion provision for the local residents of RCT. So it was a question then of trying to work out where the best places were to provide this, and the obvious one was to base it in the libraries. But also Communities First have got a long history of community involvement, and they've got resources as well as far as buildings and facilities, which came in real handy. So yeah, it was a no-brainer really. We were all sat around saying we've got to do more as far as digital inclusion is concerned, and we were all able to pitch in and help out. It's been a slow start in some areas, but some of them, they really hit the ground running, and it was clear that there were people out there that needed help with the basic IT skills, whether it's just the first time they've ever turned on a computer, or whether it was doing more complex things around job searching or document compiling CVs and so on. But what was great was to have us together and to know then that there may be expertise and experience in other areas or other partners and stakeholders who can help out as well. So it would be, for example, somebody coming in for a job search could also be referred then on to Communities First to help around job searching and improving their skills and training as well. So it was, it's been a very positive experience. The volunteers have been essential. They're crucial to the ability to deliver Digital Fridays in all the areas that we currently do, because however much staff would love to be able to do it across the board, we don't necessarily have all the provision in resources and numbers of staff that can do it. So the volunteers are invaluable. It's great to see people growing confidence and actually get a lot out of the project, because they then gain experience of working one-to-one with people or potentially in groups. So it's great to see them who gain new experiences and growing confidence really, and that's always a wonderful thing to see, is somebody to develop and progress by doing something really valuable for the community, and also help, more importantly, helping people to get online. With the Get Online RCT, we're always looking for new ways to engage with other partners and stakeholders. There's always a seat at the table to bring knowledge and expertise and the opportunity to share and learn together. So within that, then, for participants, there's growing demand, and we're seeing more and more people coming into the service asking to learn a whole number of things. Particularly now in the new year, we'd really like to see people coming along who may not have had any experience online and may have had gifts or tablets or smartphones and things like that may lack the confidence to learn and make best use of it. To come along and try it out. It's only 2 hours. You can come for as a shorter period or as long a period as you want. You can come back as many times as you want, because there'll always be the opportunity to try new things. And the great thing is, as far as us helping out and training people and supporting users, and for the volunteers, it's also about us learning, because some of the questions that we get, we may not have the immediate answer, but that's part of the challenge, to learn ourselves, to be able to help people with the questions they've got. We've had some people coming in who would like to learn how to paint on their tablet, and it's been great to try and find appropriate programs and applications, and then getting to learn how those applications work, and then obviously passing that knowledge on and seeing people make best use of that, which is great. As far as the volunteers, we'd like to see that. We'd like to see that grow and grow. What's really great is as we said earlier, is around a great opportunity individually to improve and develop skills, but more so than that is to actually increase that sense of community by helping those who need assistance. And it's very rewarding, you know, to see somebody come in and try something out for the first time and leave with the knowledge and confidence to take it further. So I think from a volunteer point of view, you'll also be assisted and supported by staff members. There'll be training provided, particularly through Digital Communities Wales. I've provided tremendous support as far as training is concerned. Communities First will also provide that training. What I really liked is the network of support between those partners within Digital Fridays, so that we have actually got people that we can turn to who may have greater knowledge and expertise than some others, and it's great to have that sense of support and encouragement from partners and colleagues, and you know, being part of that is great.